not your problem. It's not like we haven't fucking tried, was it? Do you know how many there were that weren't fucking...
You'll watch out.
Which you fucking broke?
So we just see Wave Rock, went for a surf. There's another rock formation there called Hippo's Yawn, but not really fussed about that one. It just looks a bit like a hippo yawning. There's an aboriginal cave painting just a bit further up, so I'd rather see that and use our time efficiently. So we'll do that and then we'll go for a feed and then it's on to Bruce Rock. What's up, Steve?
I'm like pissed off. Fix that issue yesterday.
Are you just having a moment of contemplation?
Hmm?
You're having a moment of contemplation?
What do you mean?
You're just sitting there thinking about it?
Oh no, I'm pissed off about it. It's not your problem.
Nope. You know why you have this problem though, don't you?
No, I fucking don't.
Because you didn't buy your own scooter.
Whatever.
That's why you have your problem. You got me to buy your scooter and that's what I got you.
It's not like we haven't fucking tried, was it? Do you know how many there were that weren't fucking
Ooh, watch
budget,
out.
which you fucking broke? You said $500 only. What did this cost you?
500. 100 for delivery. So it's exactly how much it was supposed to cost. It costs exactly the same as mine. And you never fucking looked. I looked. You kept saying...
How many did I send you?
None! I sent you loads! I sent you loads! And you just kept saying, oh, okay, yeah, go get it. And I was like, oh, okay, so you're not buying it then, it's just me doing it. He's getting all shitty left. He's all grumpy. So originally the idea was we both buy scooters for $500. That was our budget. I'd buy one, he'd buy one. Steve didn't buy one. He kept saying yeah, and he wouldn't really look, he'd half look. And I'd send him about fucking 20 of them. Every time I see one that was cheap, I was like, go get it. And he'd just be like, oh yeah, I'll message him. Oh yeah, well, I can't get there to do it. So I found him a scooter. I paid 600, but it was 100 for delivery, so it was 500, so it was in the budget. And now he's complaining about it.
We're getting breakfast.
What?
We're turning around, we're getting breakfast.
No, we're fucking not turning around. If we turn around, we're not going to see it. I want to see it. Come on. Don't be a pansy. What's wrong with you?
It fucking stopped again, didn't it?
Are you enjoying yourself?
I'm fucking hungry.
I know why you got that stick, really.
Why?
So you can hit me with it.
I wouldn't doubt it.
Come on, Steve, come on a trip, it'll be fun.
I said that. I will end up last.
Oh, he's threatening me now.
Fuel this time.
Fuel?
The needle stopped moving, so it's really low.
Oh, okay.
I guess since you took it off and never lined up with the key.
Why don't you put the surfboard on the other day?
Because it's not lined up with the fucking thing.
For fuck's sake. Puts the fucking helmet.
Oh, and my fucking glasses. You stepped on my fucking glasses. Ah! There.
Where were they?
Right there.
Well, I can't even fucking see him from down there. Suppose you putting your glasses on the floor. Stop bloody whinging.
I am fucking hungry.
You know when I watch these motorcycle programs and I'm there like, no, all they do is bloody whinge. They just complain all the time. You think you'd be having a great time out there on the road?
Well,
Having an adventure?
If everything was running fine, the bike's not stalling, not running out of fuel, your
It
mate
would be
not stepping
boring.
on the glasses,
It'd be boring.
I wouldn't have a reason to be fucking annoyed.
You wouldn't have a bit of reason to actually be doing anything.
I'm sorry.
What would you rather be
Fucking
doing
hungry.
right now? What would you rather be doing?
Eating breakfast.
There's a board on there.
What do you mean?
The board's on there. You didn't have the key in it. Now I guarantee, Steve, you're going to be so impressed with this cave. Doing a bit of duct tape. We are here.
Don't build rock piles.
Is that what it says?
Yeah, and then it had a picture of a lizard, which I guess makes sense because if you build rock piles and a lizard jumps on it, it might fall and hurt.
Yeah. Talks about how there's more than 450 cave paintings in here. Normally, in the Western Australia type area, there's normally only 20.
I don't know if you can go any further than that.
I think you can. Oh, yeah, you can.
Yeah, you're gonna climb over there.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that's a big spider.
Where?
Right up there. Right there, on my fucking thing.
Oh, it's not, that's like a cricket, that's not a spider.
Oh.
You could, I can't fit through there, but someone probably could crawl through.
It's very dusty.
It's a cave, Steve.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Let me get the drone out. Oh yeah.
Let's go there. Go get breakfast. Let's ride! Hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, baby! He hates that. So we're just stopping for a late breakfast. So brunch, well, I don't know what the time is. Nearly 11. So more with lunch. We'll have to fuel up after this as well. Try and remind me to put my earplugs in because after a little while my ears are like, ooh. How's your burger, Steve? You loving life right now? You've been so hungry.
I'm fucking starving.
You've been hangry, haven't you? Really angry. Angry, hungry.
Oh,
Hungry, hangry. Burger. Coffee. Oh, I got a chocolate eclair in there too. Sneaky, sneaky.
You look like you're enjoying that.
It's alright. Nice pastry.
Sorry, what happened?
Racing stripes.
Racing stripes. So I'm not the only fool with red tape.
So, sun cream. Just a little bit, and we were just passing all these trees back there, and there was like parrots all flying in front of us, and I'm getting hit by these raindrops. I'm like, are the birds shitting on me or is it raining? I couldn't tell. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I knew you'd like it.
Just pulling off the road because we see a sign called Hidden Hollow. Might be something interesting, might not be. I thought this was pretty cool, bit of like human engineering, like basic human engineering. This is farm stuff. So the water obviously comes cascading down, and they've built this little wall to catch the water. So it's like a natural, man-made water catchment. I thought it was quite clever. So what they used to do is they used to wash Hesse in sacks, and then dry them out on the rock. So when they were doing for the fertilizer and grain, they'd wash the sacks ready for the grain, I think. I thought that was pretty cool. Oh, I picked up a friend. Yeah, check this out. I picked up a little mate on the way. That's a little huntsman. I think that's a male because the females are a lot bigger. Oh, he's missing a leg. Where you going? Oh no, don't go down there. Oh, I've lost him now. Taking him across country. Yeah, let's hit the road. Hit the road, Jack. Don't come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Just going along down this road, there's just like loads and loads of shoes. So Steve's bike lost power.
Again.
For the 100th time.
We're not going to poke it with a stick this time.
No, we're just going to leave it. Our method is we've been poking it and touching it, thinking that we're fixing it every time. And I've got a feeling we're not doing fuck all, so we'll just leave it, let it cool down, and then we'll get back on it and see if it works.
Oh, fuck.
Moment of truth. It looks good to me. Welcome to Narrabeen. What? You always put your helmet really high up. So on my right, we have the sound clock. Oh, it's a bit slippery. Oh, shit. Probably won't see him, there's a fox in there. Damn. Must have run away. Oh, it's a foxhole. That's where he went. He went in there.
What'd you do if it attacked it?
Pull it out.
Maybe we'll see something on there, I don't know. Graceful.
Huh?
Graceful.
Oh, I'm not that tall. I don't want to put a hole in my nuts.
Don't you mean nut?
Ooh, stuck.
We caught a big one.
Here's one all the city folk will disagree with, or not everyone, but it's a bit controversial, I should say. Steve was just telling me that there's a tip, and that's where the locals go and shoot the feral cats. Now, if you're actually Australian, and you live in Australia, and you live like rural Australia especially, like bush and that, they kill the feral cats because they eat all the native wildlife because they're such good killers. Now, it tends to be the city slickers, I'm generalising, the city slickers and the foreigners basically that have a problem with that because they're like, oh, it's such a cute little cat, but they're not native to this country and they just wipe out all the indigenous animals. So there you go. Bit controversial, but that's what Steve was just telling me.
Wake up one morning and see your face, I can feel it coming back. These shivers are every day. Whoa, I say it's over, I get out of bed and leave, yeah, just like that. I got the shivers whenever I would think about you. Now that I left, I live without you. I'm on my own again. I got the shivers whenever you went out of line, yeah. It's like everything is fine, yeah. It's now alone again.
We're just coming into Bruce Rock. So this is where Steve grew up. He's got a few places he wants to show me. I think there's going to be an abandoned go-kart track where you go see Bruce Rock itself. We're going to stay here tonight and venture off in the morning. Now he wants to leave later, but lunchtime I'm hoping to leave a bit earlier because it's a 300 I think it's about 240 k's to my house. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully, I'm hoping I'll leave before lunch, but it doesn't sound like it. So this is Steve's old hood. I love the little cottages. I love the little towns. I must have said that about 50 million times, but the little cottages are so pretty. You happy to be home, Steve? You happy to be home?
Yeah.
Just think, you'd be at home now. Probably playing some online game.
If what?
I'm just saying, if you weren't here doing this.
Yeah, I'd rather be here. I'd rather be here having a shit fight with
I was curious then. I was like, I wonder if he says I'd rather be playing a game.
I'd rather be here fighting with this piece of shit.